PCIe is already being used, although I think most people that work in the automotive market are probably not having to get very involved with the PCIe in the automotive market. But there are PCIe Wi-Fi chips, GPUs, chip-to-chip connections, and short-reach applications like infotainment centers already. So, for instance, if you looked at any small type of PC system, and inside our product, we use a ComExpress module is what we would call it, but it's basically a very small Intel PC or Intel server running a Linux kernel, and it employs PCIe throughout that board, connecting the CPU to the storage, to the networking, to the everything effectively from that root complex. But we buy that as a total component, right? One big component or one PC, and we integrate that into our system. And so there isn't a lot of design, wrapped around that implementation when you're putting that in. Largely the person that we buy that from, they do all of the testing and they do all of that type of design. But it is in these, it is in vehicles now. I mentioned earlier, it's a very high bandwidth, low latency connectivity with a wide adoption. So 20 plus years of adoption of PCIe. So you have boatloads of IP, boatloads of different types of chips, different types of endpoints, lots of support at the protocol layer for different types of devices. It's very prevalent in cloud computing applications already, which the automotive market is leveraging more and more. ECUs, infotainment centers, things that have been talked about quite a bit already. And then finally, probably the brass ring for most of us is the AI market and how that is going to support the automotive market in the future. Most AI designs are based on, actually I think all AI designs that I'm aware of are based on PCIe. And most of them will deploy PCIe 5, PCIe 6 moving forward. So a lot of AI and ML, machine learning type applications are already working on PCIe.